What about others? Only 8 joined. Still, people are not joined. Okay, so one of the experiment in our list of experiment is verification of staircase wiring and go down wiring. Okay, so using whatever may be the electronics, we are going to do the same with the electrical switches also. Electrical switches, two-way switches, two-way switches, and one lamp. And in addition to that, we already know gates. Okay, whatever we already explained, or verification of logic gates we have done. So starting from AND, NAND, OR, XOR, okay, XNOR, okay, all these gates already you know how to verify that what is the logics behind that. Using the logic gates, whether we can able to do staircase wiring and go down wiring. So today we are going to see staircase wiring. Okay, so first I will explain the basic concept, okay, of any staircase wiring. So if a staircase wiring is there, it is using, okay, it is a lamp that can be controlled by a two different switches. Okay, say for example, I am having a staircase arrangement like this. Staircase, okay, 1 minute. I am having a staircase arrangement like this. Okay, so it lead to a another floor. Okay, ground floor. This is assumed that ground floor. This is assumed that a first floor. Okay. So whenever a person want to move to first floor, automatically, whenever a person want to use staircase, using staircase want to go to first floor, automatically what will happen? We will provide a lamp when the night time. Okay, in order to provide a illumination. Okay, during the night time we will have a lamp. Okay, so that lamp has to be controlled. See, for example, whenever a person nearer to the staircase in the ground floor, he will try to switch on the lamp. So automatically all the steps in the staircases will be illuminated, properly illuminated. So because of the reflection of the light, one person can able to climb over the ladder or climb over the staircase without any difficulty and reach the first floor. But after reaching the first floor, how he can able to switch off the lamp? So there is a need of another one control switch also. So a staircase wiring is a concept, a lamp, how it can be controlled by a two different switches. Suppose if here I am having one switches, okay. Suppose here I am having one switches. If it is a S2, and here I am having one switch, okay, in the ground floor, that is mentioned as S1. Okay. So whenever I am climb over I want to use the staircase for reaching the first floor, one floor upper. So automatically what will happen? I will make this switch on. So automatically lamp will glow. I will go there. After reaching the first floor, I need not to use the staircase. So at that time, I want to switch off the lamp. So for that, I cannot come. I cannot. So I have to do a different way. I have to use a second switch. So by which I am just to make it whatever may be the position now. If I'm do it in a on or off, okay, that has to be switch off. Then likewise, if another person get in, if another person coming to the ground floor want to come to first floor, he can also do. Or same person want to come from first floor to ground floor, so then also he may need a illumination or lighting. So that type of wiring is called staircase wiring. So it is simply a technical concept is one lamp should be controlled by a two different switches placed in a two different places. So the lamp in the middle, okay, lamp in the middle of the staircase. Okay, so it is controlled by these two switches. So what is the logic? If as per the logic gates, okay, if I am mentioning or if I am tabulating, okay, the truth table for the particular staircase wiring also, I will get the truth table like this. Okay, suppose if I am having a two-way switches, this is called the two-way switches. So here this is called phase supply, phase and neutral supply, phase and neutral supply. So you know always phase will be live, always phase will be live. So this phase will be always coming live. Here one point is there. This is a switch having a two-way switches. Why it is called two-way means, suppose if I am making this is a movable arrangement. Suppose if I am making this way, I can able to make this point contact with the two instead of one. Likewise, here the dotted line is mentioned. So likewise, I can able to make move the switch key position from 2 to 1 also. So that is why it is called two-way switch. So I can from the line current, I can able to make the switch either to current flow from 1 or to 2. So I can able to make it on two-way. So likewise here, whatever will be the phase current going to come out, I can able to tap or I can able to make facilitate the particular current by means of a two point, that is two way, one way one to this way and another way two to this way. So there is a two. So that's why it's called two-way switches. Okay. So this two-way switches, this is mentioned here, two-way switches. Okay, so definitely I need a two-way switches. Without two-way switches, I cannot able to construct the staircase wiring. Okay, this is the very basic. So whenever we want a staircase wiring, so this logic. So as an engineer, we cannot say always limitation whether I can able to construct the same staircase wiring by means of suppose instead of that assume that instead of this lamp I am having a LED. I am having a very big LED. Okay. So in that case, automatically very low voltage only required. But if you want to have a switches like arrangement like this, so there it is a costlier one. Instead of that, whether I can able to use the same using any logic. Okay. Say for example, you know already. Okay, AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NAND gate, NOT gate, all these concepts already studied. So whether we can able to establish or use the concept for staircase wiring. That is the purpose of this experiment. Okay. So if you see the truth table, so if I'm keeping the switch 1 and in switch 2 in such a way that switch 1 position 1 and switch 2 position 2. Suppose switch 1 position 1 and switch 2 position 2. So this is an ideal condition where the lamp will be in off condition, where the lamp will be off condition. Suppose a person comes and he want to use the staircase, automatically what will happen? He will make, he will make, okay. So definitely he will make the particular switch 1 to 2 position, because now in one position he will make it as two position. Because he is making it two position, there is a closed path. See, if you see, he make two position, then it will automatically goes. Already two position is closed. So because of that, there will be circuit will be closed. So it will be glowing. Okay. So circuit is closed, is glowing. Okay. So likewise, okay. So likewise, if a person want to enter, okay, want to enter from this direction. So suppose he that assume that this is the first floor and this is the ground floor. Okay. So person want from first floor to ground floor, what will happen? He will come. So this is a staircase area where a lamp is situated as mentioned here, middle of the staircase. As mentioned here, the lamp is placed at the middle of the staircase. So he will be reaching here in the first floor. This is the ground floor. Automatically, what will happen? He will make this 2 to 1. Okay, 2 to 1. Already one person came. Okay, so automatically when he return back, he will make it as 2 to 1. Okay, so it is now it is in a 2 position. When he goes off, he will make it 2 to 1. So once again, now the lamp is in the ulta direction. That is, now it is in the 1, but whereas the first one is in the 2. That is why it is in the off condition. So now the person has to come, has to make, okay, has to make, this is to 2 position, this is to 2 position, okay. So automatically the lamp will be on, lamp will be on. So these 3 conditions is met. When the person, now he is making it as a 2 position. Okay, so now the person going away from here, whenever he leaves the ground floor, so staircase is no need to use. So he may be switching from the this position to 1 position. Okay, now it will reach to the same one. Okay, here. So this is how we can able to operate the staircase way. So we have to control the switch. So automatically, suppose instead of person returning from first floor to ground floor, if another one person came from ground floor also, so now what will happen? It is in the 2 position. He will make it in first position. What will make? He will make. Okay, he will make it as a first position. So in that case, the first condition will be coming. Okay, already the second bulb switch in the 1 position. Instead of a person return from first floor, another one person coming from ground floor, he want to go to first floor. So as far as this case, already this is in first, this is in second, so he will make it 1, both 1. So the both 1 will make the particular lamp to glow. So there is a two way. One is continuously the input sequences changes from S1 to S2. Okay, and another one are possible. So the sequence is swinging between S1 to S2, S2 to S1. That is nothing but if one person goes to the one floor upper, okay, and the same person he is returning back means S1 to S2, S2 to S1. But continuously persons are moving from one floor to another floor, okay, but with a frequent interval of time. So one person moves S1 to S2 going, okay. Then when he goes back, he'll reset that. He reset that initial position, but he cannot reset the S1. Okay, he will reset the S2. So now it is an off condition. Another one person coming. So he will be reset the S1 only. So because of that, after that he reach that, he will change S2 also. So by which a combination of operation, because the 2 switches only is there. 2 switches in this case means, so 2 power n. 2 power n is the possibility of operation. So 2 power n is nothing but 2 power 2. Okay, so automatically 4 combination is possible, 4 switching sequence is possible. So can we able to compare that with the logic? Okay, so I am comparing that first with the OR gate. Okay, I am comparing that with the OR gate. Okay, OR gate I cannot use because the output will be at least 2 times should be. So if you compare the first one, so suppose if I am making, okay, if I am making, this is on, this is on, this is also 1 means, so this is off and this is off, 0 0. Okay, so I cannot use OR gate simply for the logic of staircase wiring, because the 2 times the output should be high and 2 times output should be low. Okay, there are also 2 input, so I cannot use OR gate logic. But this is what OR gate logic. But I can use XOR gate. What is a XOR gate logic? XOR gate logic is simple. So if both the input are, so XOR gate, if both the input are low, it is low. If both the input are high, also it is low. Okay, if you see that both the input are low, also it is low. Both the input are high, also it is same. If at least any one input is high, remaining low, then output is high. So I can very well use this logic, okay, for the staircase wiring. Okay, that is what we are going to see in the simulation. So any clarification in this? First, I want to know that. Any clarification? Any clarification? This concept of staircase wiring, how we are mapping that concept of staircase wiring to logic gates. Any problem in understanding?
No, sir.
Okay. So for that, I'm just placing. Okay, this is the place where you can get. I'm just placing it in our chat box. You can copy and you can save it also. Okay, because that you are going to do and you are going to construct and you are going to practice that also. Okay, I will just mention in our chat box. So I have mentioned in chat box the same thing. I'm also pasted. It is taken to a particular experiment that is created in the virtual lab. Okay, that is created in the virtual lab. So you need not to go and search that experiment, as I already told. Okay, and repeatedly telling. So our experiment, especially electrical workshop practices, is not as available as a single lab. Okay, so many experiments in a scattered way, so many labs it is incorporated. So this is the experiment. So in order to have, I have prepared a link. So immediately you will get a link like the XR gate and its application in staircase light control. This is the experiment only we are going to do. So you know very well. I need not to say. So we are using particular TTL logic. Okay, especially using the XR gate. What is the XR gate? What is the XR gate? Okay, very well we know that it is a simple. This is a simple. And what is a truth table also, we know that if both the input are low, output is low, both the input are high also, output is low. Okay. So one of the important application of this XR control, XR gate control is staircase light control. So staircase light control automatically. So this will be facilitating. Okay. So a very low power switching, because these are all the logic gates. Okay. So devices, they are going to use only very low voltages and very low current, on state current. Okay. So automatically very low power switching only. Whenever we are with the combination of the switching, if you are using a LED lamp also, it is also another one low power switches, providing a very good illumination. So now I will end of the session, I will show okay now what way a modern staircase wiring is there. Modern staircase wiring is there using any LED lamp. Okay, so this is a logic. This is a logic. There is a two way I can able to realize this XOR gate. Okay, one logic I could say that AOI. Okay, and or invert logic. That logic is called as and or invert logic. So that means I'm using a AND gate, I'm using a OR gate, and I'm using a invert gate. So that is why this logic. So instead of XOR gate, I can use and or and not gate also for realizing the same thing. But if you see, this is a very complicated one. Number of not gate, number of and gate, one or gate also is required. So automatically the number of gates required is more. Okay. So instead of that only the second one XOR gate we are going. So before going to this directly, there is another one means also is there by which we can able to control the staircase wiring, that is called AOI logic and or invert. A stands for and, O stands for or, I stands for AOI logic. Okay, so this already we know that using a transistor logic, we already know how to do this. Okay, so automatically what will happen? So as a result of that, I want to have A dot B star A star B. So this has to be sum. Okay. So I need an output like this. So automatically what will happen? I'm having a two input. Okay. So for whenever I'm giving and, I'm just inverting one input and having a making a and operation. So automatically B is directly taken, and through the NOT gate, I'm inverting that. Likewise, A is given to another one AND gate, and A is taken to a NOT gate also. That given output is given to a AND gate where B is given as a input. As a result of that, I am having a AND operation. Okay, here what will happen? I am getting a result A star B. Okay, and A B star. So if these two outputs once again, okay, once again I am given to a OR gate, I will get, okay, so result as A dot B star plus A star B. That is nothing but XOR gate output. That is nothing but XOR gate output. Okay, say for example, if both the input are low, say for example, I am having both the input are low. What will happen here? Both the input are low means this will also low only. This will also low only if both the inputs. So because multiplication by another 1 0 is 1 0 only. So I am adding 0 plus 0 once again will be 0 only. Okay. So if one input is high, if any one input is high, automatically any one output of the AND gate will be high. So as a result of that, OR gate output also will be high. So that is the XOR gate. That is the XOR gate we have seen that. If you see any one input is high, either A or B, I am getting a output as high. If both the input are low, also low. If both the input are high, also high, because of the logic of XOR gate. Okay, so because here I'm realizing the XOR gate only by using a AOA logic and or invert logic. Suppose if I'm having this one is 1 and this one is 0. Okay, that is okay. If both are 1, 1 1 means what will happen? So 1 and 0. Here it will be 0. 1 0 0. Automatically here 0 0 only will come. Whenever we are adding the 0 plus 0, that also will be 0. So that means if both the input are high, I will get low output. If both the input are low also, I will get output is low. So both input low, output low. Both the input high, output is low. Okay, at least either one of the input should be high, then only I'm getting. So this is very much suitable for the our staircase application because I'm going to make any one switch only on. Okay, so I'm not going to have the same position of the another switch, then only my lamp should be on. So automatically this logic is used. Okay, so this already you know, and already we have elaborately discussed, and you also done, and that also. Okay, so now coming to the procedure. So I am giving you a pre-test. Pre-test is same. Okay, so what will happen whenever you're giving a input of this one, 0 0, what will happen? Likewise, a small quiz like that is there. Okay, so now coming to the procedure for this experiment. In this procedure, you have to go and turn on staircase light using, okay, ground floor switch. Okay, now we are assuming that in a ground floor we are having a switch A. Okay, and we are going to turn it on, and we will see the output. Now once again we are after reaching the first floor, we are turn off the switch because now no need of staircase wiring illumination circuit. Turn on the output. So repeat this procedure to verify all the four conditions. All the four conditions, how we can verify? A some person is returned from the first floor to ground floor. So one person is entering, okay, from ground floor to first floor. Some person is returning from first floor to. So three conditions will be verified. So what way the fourth condition will be verified? Another one person. So instead of a same person return, so another one person entering from ground floor to first floor. Likewise, another one from person returning from first floor to ground floor. Okay, this is how we have to keep on do it. Okay, how to do that? How to do that? We can explain. We can very well know that using this logic. So what they are given on YouTube video. Okay, so if you click that, how to connect? They will give all the AND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, everything like everything is here. Okay, everything is here. Okay, so what they will do, you will place the inputs. Okay, after you placing the input, okay, then you have to keep on going constructing the connectors. Okay, connectors, and then using AND gate. Two AND gates is there. Two AND gate. Okay, and one XOR gate is there. Okay, so this is one, two LED also they are going to have. So now they are going to connect using a input to input, input to output devices. So using a connector arrangement, you can able to connect. Okay, so now another way you can able to do that. Okay, after constructing, we have to run the simulation. So connect output to light, output to input. This is for the AOI logic. That is and they are using a and or and invert logic. See, if they press one lamp, it is on. Here they coming, it off. So likewise, if the position is keep on changing one. Okay, so that is what we are going to see that. Now we are going to in a simulation. The same thing. If you press the simulation, okay, this is what the circuit you have to construct. So first circuit they are given for the AOI logic. Okay, and or invert logic based staircase light control they are given. And the second one is XOR gate. Okay, actually our experiment is going to related to the XOR only, because without going for AOI logic, we have come to conclusion that if I am using a AOI logic by simply knowing the theoretical concept, if I am using a AOI logic, I have to go for more number of two NOT gate, two AND gate, one OR gate. Okay, so these many gates are used. So instead of that, only a XOR gate, if I am using that, I will get the output. Okay, so I'm going to simply do that. Okay, so here the XOR gate, I'm going to make, okay, switch. I'm going to make a digital switch. First, I'm going to make a switch. I'm making A switch. Then I have to make a B switch. So B switch, digital switch. Here inside that, I'm clicking. Now B switch is there. So now I have to take a XOR gate. In XOR gate, I am pressing that. Likewise, inside that, I am pressing XOR gate. Now another one is I need a LED. Okay, another need a LED. So here I am connecting one LED. LED is there. Okay. Now this is the input. Okay, this is the output. So this is the output. As far as XOR gate is concerned, this is the input one. Okay, and this is the input 2. Okay, so here it is an output. Okay, so likewise we have to go ahead, and now I am going to connect. Okay, now using this connector, what I am giving is connect output 1 to input 1. If I'm clicking that, after that if I'm clicking inside the input and XOR gate, a wire will be connected. Okay, likewise. Okay, here second case I am giving and giving. Okay, so now two inputs are connected. Okay, now I'm going to connect output device 1 to 1. Okay, output device 1 to 1. So first I'm clicking that XOR gate and LED. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm simply making running the start simulation. So if I'm pressing that, lamp will be now in the I'm ground floor. Now I have to use the staircase. Now I press the switch. Light is glowing. After reaching first floor, I am pressing the switch here. Light is off. Now I am returning from first floor to second ground floor. So I have to make it off. Then it's light. I am using the staircase and come down. Okay, come down and switch off. This is the one concept. Another way, one person is coming from first floor to ground floor. He is coming, he is pressing. Now lamp is on. Now he reached the ground floor. Now he is pushing that, it is off. Okay, so that's all. Now in this way, another one person is coming. He is making the switch. He want to go from ground floor to first floor. He is pressing the switch. Now light is on. After reaching here, so all the four conditions are verified. Okay, either from this direction or from this direction. So like I told another one person, suppose a person is entering, he reached the first floor. Now he switch off. Now another one person coming from the ground floor itself, sequence order. He is coming, he is making the switch. Okay, so automatically this will off on. So he is going there, he is making off. The same way he has to repeat it also. When he is coming back, so only changing the switching position, coming and changing switching position, and whenever he is leaving, changing switching position, it will make off. So that is the important logic, so that we can able to learn. So likewise, likewise, I am expecting, okay, you people to. So now after that, what do you have to do? We have to reset it. If you reset it, it will disappear. It will go. Okay. So now what do you have to? So you have to do with the AOI logic. What is the AOI logic? There also I have to select two switches, one switch. Okay, digital switch. I have to click one switch. I have to click another switch. So now I am having two input. What else now? Another one is, it is a connector. Okay, it is a connector. Okay, so where we are going to have it. Okay, so in this case, what will happen? I am going to have this one, and I am going to have this one. Okay, after that, I need to have a two AND gate. Two AND gate. So AND gate is here. I am going to use it here. I am going to use it here. Then I need two NOT gate. Two NOT gate. One is here. Okay, and another one is above that here. So I'm making first and then OR using this invert logic. So I need a one OR gate. OR gate. Okay. So first, what I have to connect is connect output one to input one. Okay, that we have to click connect output one, input one. Now I am connecting. Okay, connect output two to input two. So now I am clicking this. So here I am connecting. Okay, so now I am going to have the output of this one to this one as a input. Okay, so now connect output one to input one. Likewise here I am connected it. Okay, so now I am having a two output. One is connected output to one to this one, and this one to this one. Okay, so likewise I am going to connect this one. Automatically I have to press the LED. Then I have to go for a So likewise, you have to set up. Okay, you have to set up the things that we have seen in the lab, and you have to verify that. Okay, so this is how you have to do the experiment. So now I want all of you to practice that. So here, as far as the practice is concerned, the same thing only. Okay, so same thing only. So here there are certain all the gates were given: OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, connector, LED. So even you can use red LED. So whenever you give on, instead of green, it will show red. That's all. Okay. So likewise, digital switch is the input switch. Okay. So this is how we can able to connect one output to another output. So this is a logic. So you cannot use only one switch. So whenever output one to one, same output one to another input two. So likewise, you have to select. So output one means one output is given to one input, output one is given to another input. So whenever we are giving the two output from single source, we have to use the second one. Likewise, output two to another input. So another one input we are going to give to the input. So you have to use the all the four logic in such a way that output one to input one, output one to input two, output two to input two, output two to input one. Okay, so four logics are there. Okay, so likewise, if you can use undo link. Suppose we link, but if you are wrongly link, you can undo link. You can redo link. Okay, likewise, some provisions are given in the simulation tools. It's a very easy one. So as far as my case is concerned, you have to, after you executing successfully both and or and invert logic as well as XOR gate, okay, logic, you should able to realize that this is having a more number of gates. That is two NOT gate, two AND gate, or no OR gate. Whereas we can able to realize XOR gate because it is ultimately XOR gate output only. So with a single gate XOR gate, if available, I can able to use it for staircase light control application. So after that, very importantly, you have to take the post test. Post test also is simply after you know that concept, whether it is useful, which is better, like that. Some questions were asked. So this is what I'm expecting you to do. So this week, and you have to complete it. Okay. Any clarification?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Others? Anybody having
No,
any
sir.
very easy, no? Very easy. Only thing is you are understanding one concept. So likewise, I have prepared some project also. I want every one of you. So this is what very important. Okay. So I am giving you, this is a digital application, because if you are all come for the physical lab, very well we can able to play a very funful things in the lab, but unfortunately we don't have any provision so far. Okay, this is so many projects we can do only with the logic gates. Okay, so washing machine control, basic of OR gate and application in industrial control, basic of NOT gate and application in the fuel level indicator. So this is what we want to know. So this is already, what is the beauty is already these all were available in the virtual lab. Okay, only with the concept of virtual lab we are going to learn it. Okay, so how to, suppose here staircase light control, this is one of the application. Okay, universal NOR gate for the application of automobile alarm system, and level monitoring. Okay, water level indicator. So all these things are there. What I am going to do is I am going to take first 10. Okay, so automobile alarm system. So I am going to alert. Okay, suppose register number one is there, means register number one on the 20th person. Okay, so 20th person has to do Okay, using washing machine control. How washing machine control? They have to study this experiment and they have to report it. Okay, say for example, in this link, if you go, all the things were available. I will explain that also. So digital applications, electronics and communication, digital applications is available. Okay, so especially washing machine. Okay, using basic logic gates. Okay, what is a basic logic gates theory is available. Okay, and what is with different setting we are giving. Okay, door open, door close, water level, temperature high. So using that we are making a truth table. We are making a truth table. Then finally, okay, we are giving a three different level input. Okay, one is water temperature sensor, water level, door sensor. Then we are giving a three output. Okay, so likewise, so there is a simulation also is there. Okay, we can able to do same as that of our own experiment last we conducted. This is what we have to do. Okay, if door open, what will happen? If door closed, what will happen? Okay, both all are on, what will happen? Okay, how it is working. So this is the logic you have to understand. Okay, the same way for other experiments also. So another one example we will see water level control. Okay, so even in practical, you can also implement in your own house also. We can able to do that water level indicator when it has to be on and off. Okay, a tank is there. Okay, so when it has to on, when it has to off. So all this logic, okay, logic gates, level sensors are there. So using that, we can able to switch on, switch off the motor. When water level is very high, okay, which water level to which water level we have to convert the water. We have to move the water. Okay. Likewise, a lot of procedures also is there, theory also is there. I want all of you to study, okay, these experiments. Okay, so say for example, here I am having. So this is what usually happen, no, in a sump. Okay, lower tank usually says a lower tank. Sump we will collect all the waters, whether it's supplied from corporation or ground level water using our submersible pump and all. We will fill. We will keep this tank. Okay, so always fill, but we are not directly use the water from sump or lower tank. We will pump this water to upper tank. From that only it will connect to all rooms. Okay, all the pipes and all will be connected. All the toilets, pipes, kitchen, everywhere it's connected. So whenever this water level lows, the water should be pumped from lower tank to upper tank. So in order to ensure that always water supply is there. So for that, what will do? We will always keep on monitoring. Instead of that, we can able to automate it. Whenever upper tank level is fall below certain value, okay, so automatically from lower tank, I am assuming lower tank is A, upper tank is B. Lower tank is A, upper tank is B. So whenever lower upper tank B falls below certain value, immediately water will be pumped from A to. So this logic, what is this logic? Okay, how to we can able to use when the motor should be on, but like that we can able to implement the logic, we can do the project. Okay, so that is what I'm going to send it to your link. Okay, so this is a link, this is a link. You please have the copy. As I told now, first experiment, okay, the first experiment should be done by first person and 20th person. Second experiment should be done by second person and 19th person. Third experiment should be done by 13th person and 18th person. Likewise, okay, outer link. Okay, I have made. So automatically uh, 10th and 11th, okay, persons will be doing next experiment. 10th and 11th next experiment. So we are taking only the first 10 experiments. So because already we have seen staircase, okay, and basic logic gates, okay, and all we have done. So I am only taking a first 10 experiments. So this has to be submitted as your uh, what is that is project work, okay, for project for the lab, maybe at the end of the lab session. So slowly go through your experiment and study them. Okay, then you can able to do that. Any clarification? Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. 10 experiments are there. Okay. So today's class we have seen one. Okay, that is as a staircase application, staircase wiring. How to do staircase wiring using logic gates. So apart from that, I am giving you a 10 experiments. You can learn from that. I have given you a link. Okay, so you need not to worry. So in case of actual wiring, sometimes IC may burn, sometimes short circuit may occur, sometimes we may not able to troubleshoot exactly. Here there is no any such a problems in the simulation. You can very well give wrong connection. You can learn it. It is wrong. Why it is showing wrong connection? Why it is showing not showing anything, and you can reset, you can redo. Okay, so n number of times you can learn it. Okay, apart from that, after you learn the concept of staircase wiring, try to implement, okay, try to implement the logic gates in some other applications also. Okay, for that I have given you some 10 experiments. So you are 10 20 in number, so each experiment is allotted to 2 students. Okay, but you can slowly learn. Yeah, not urging. I'm not urging. You can slowly learn. At the end of this lab session, okay, before the semester exam, you have to submit that as a report using logic gate. What is the experiment you have done? Okay, as far as today's experiment is concerned, this one only. Okay, so one question I have explained for a staircase wiring. Okay, and another one combination is there. That is, we can go for good on wiring. Okay, good on wiring also is possible. Okay, so I will show it. In case of good on wiring, actually it is like a good on. Whenever you want to enter into a good on is having a number of rooms. Instead of having a staircase, one floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor, that floor arrangement concept will not be there. All the floors will be in the same floor, that is as a different room. Suppose if you are assuming ground floor, it will be as a first room. If you are assuming first floor, that will be as a second room. If you are assuming a third floor, that will be as a third room. So a house having continuous number of continuously having a number of rooms. So that will be like a good one. So whenever you want to go and take anything from the good one, what will happen? We need not to switch on all the rooms light. Whenever we are moving from the first room to second room, whenever you want to enter into first room, you will switch on that room light. So whenever you want to move from first room to second room, you can switch off the first room light. Simultaneously, you can switch on the second room light. So likewise, each uh, portion will be eliminated. Remaining all portions will be switched off light. That type of wiring is called Goodon wiring. If you see that this is how, okay, so automatically here one ordinary switch, single way switch, But for us, if you are having number of lamps 3, n minus 1 two-way switches needed. Suppose I can have 5 rooms also, 5 lamps. So 5 lamps means I need a 4 two-way switches, 1 single-way switches. I am going to connect the switches like this for continuous good on wiring. So only here I want to ask only one question: how will you implement logic gates for this concept? So the switching is available. Switching is already available because we are studying electrical workshop practice. We already you studied logic gates, all the logic gates, and you have done the simulation also. And you know the what is TTL logic, okay, and etc. Okay, so using the concept, can you tell me uh, which gate, which concept, which gate concept is used for this good on wiring concept? Anyone? That's an open question I'm giving to you. Okay, for this lab session, you please go, and you already studied some 7 gates. Okay, 7 gates you studied, and today also we have seen one example. Okay, 7 gates you studied. So from that, identify any or one or any combination of any 2 gates can be implemented for good on wiring. How we done it for the XOR gate logic for the staircase wiring, whether the same concept, same similar way we can able to do it for good on wiring. Good on wiring is nothing but what I showed now. Okay, so automatically continuously 3 rooms will be there. Before you enter into the room 1, you have to make this first single way switch 1 will be on. So from the room 1 to 2, if you want to enter, you have to make the switch automatically. In the second switch, you have to make it on. Automatically what will happen is first room light will be off, simultaneously second room light will be on. So whenever you want to move to from second room to third room, you have to use the third two-way switches. Okay, so you have to make it on. What will happen is second room light will be off, third room light will be on. You can take a goods there, and you can come back. When you come back also, the same way from third room to you want to second room, so you can able to switch on. Then automatically last room light will be off, second room light will be on. Then you come to undo second switch on off. Then second room light will be off, first room light will be on. You come out and you can totally on off the light. Okay, this is what concept of good on wiring. Okay, so now I want to implement, instead of using electrical concept, wiring concept, I want to using a logic gates. Assume that these are all LED lamps. Okay, so that way you have to do that. And one more thing I told in the beginning of the session. So now present staircase wiring. Present staircase wiring. If you see any multi-star hotels, 5-star hotels and all, okay, during the late night time, maybe after 10 p.m., 11 p.m., they are using this type of staircase wiring. Okay, that is having a LED light. Okay, whenever a person is moving on the staircase, only light will be. Suppose I'm moving on this steps means, so automatically simultaneously keep on the light will be going like this. Keep on the lighting will be going like this. I will show what video. Okay, so in this video you can able to see that. They are using one sensor, PIR sensor. So PIR sensor will be sensing a person is enter, then automatically illumination will starts. See the person entering, automatically lights on. Because we need illumination in steps only. After leaving, okay, the lights were off. Okay, so this is the also our ultimate aim to study this concept. Okay, any clarification? Shall we wind up? Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Am-
Sir, stimulation பண்ணி
am I-
அனுப்பணுமா சார்?
என்னப்பா?
ஸ்டிமுலேஷன் பண்ணி அனுப்பணுமா?
சிமுலேஷன் பண்ண வேண்டாம். சிமுலேஷன் நீங்க எத்தனை தடவைனாலும் பண்ணி லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, அந்த பர்டிகுலர் திங்ல ப்ரீ டெஸ்ட்டும் போஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட்டும். ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே சார்.
எந்த இதுக்குன்னா யூசிங் எக்ஸார் கேட்டு நம்ம ஸ்டேர்கேஸ் லைட்டிங் இருக்குல்ல, கண்ட்ரோல் ஸ்டேர்கேஸ் வயரிங், அதுக்கு ப்ரீ டெஸ்ட்டும் போஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட் மட்டும் எனக்கு பண்ணி அனுப்பணும். நீங்க சிமுலேஷன் நீங்க லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அது எத்தனை தடவை பண்ணாலும் நீங்க லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சரிங்களா? நீங்க தப்பா கொடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா மறுபடியும் ரீசெட் பண்ணிட்டு மறுபடியும் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, எனக்கு அனுப்ப
Okay,
வேண்டியது ப்ரீ டெஸ்ட்டும் போஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட்டும். எந்த இதுல உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கிறேன் பாத்தீங்களா லிங்க், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்னு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கிறேன்ல ஒரு சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல ஒரு லிங்க், அந்த இதுல போய் நீங்க அது பண்ணிக்க. ப்ரீ டெஸ்ட்டும் போஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட்டும் எனக்கு அனுப்பணும். ஓகே,
நெக்ஸ்ட் சாட்டர்டேக்குள்ளவா சார்?
ஆமா, நெக்ஸ்ட் சாட்டர்டே.
ஓகே
இந்த
சார்.
இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீங்க ஸ்லோவா லேர்ன் பண்ண ஆரம்பிங்க. ஓகே,
10 ப்ராஜெக்ட்டுமா சார்?
இல்ல ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ஒரு 2 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு அதான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, மொத்தம் உங்க நம்பர் ஆர்டர் இருக்குல்ல, ரோல் நம்பர் ஆர்டர், ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
எஸ் சார்.
பர்சனும் 20th பர்சனும் வாஷிங் மெஷின் கண்ட்ரோல் யூசிங் அண்ட் நாட் கேட். சரியா? அதே மாதிரி
ஓகே சார்.
செகண்ட் பர்சனும் 19th பர்சனும் பேசிக் ஆர் கேட் அண்ட் அப்ளிகேஷன் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் கண்ட்ரோல், மோட்டார் கண்ட்ரோல். அது மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராஜெக்ட்டையும் லேர்ன் பண்ண ஆரம்பிங்க. அது வந்து
ஃபைனலா ஒரு டாக்குமெண்ட் சப்மிட்
ஆமா,
பண்ணனும் சார்.
ஃபைனலா செமஸ்டர் எண்ட்ல ஒரு டாக்குமெண்ட் சப்மிட் பண்ணணும்.
ஓகே சார். தேங்க் யூ சார்.
ஓகே
சார் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க சார், டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஓகே. எனி கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன் வேற எதுவும் இல்லைல்ல? வில் கோ டு
நோ சார்.
ஓகே. ஆன்சர் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் அபினவ். அபினவ்
சார் அவனுக்கு வந்து கரோனா வைரஸ் பாசிட்டிவ் சார், அதனால குவாரண்டைன்ல இருக்கான். அபினவ் எஸ்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
பிரசன்ட் சார் அவன்.
பட் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றானா ஆன்லைன்ல?
எஸ் சார், அட்டெண்ட் பண்றான். கிளாஸ்ல அட்டெண்ட் பண்றான். மொபைல் அலௌட் சார் அங்க குவாரண்டைன்ல, அதனால கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றான் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ்க்காக.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. சரி, ஓகே. வி அபினவ், வி
present sir.
ஆதித்யா,
Present sir.
ஆனந்து, அனந்து not there. அருண் குமார்,
present sir.
அஸ்வின்,
Present sir.
ஆசாத், ஆசாத், பாசில், பாசில், ஓகே. தாரணி, தர்ஷினி,
Present, sir.
Emmanuel,
Present, sir.
Jyotish, Jyotish, Sevaga Perumal,
Yes, sir.
Sir, Jyotish.
Jyotish present ah? யார் ஜோதிஷ் தான் பேசுறதா?
Yes, sir. Jyotish தான் பேசுறேன்.
ஓகே
Present, sir.
ஓகே. லூயிஸ் பால் ஆப்சென்ட். மதுபன்
Present, sir.
யாரு?
Stable Perumal present, sir.
சேவபெருமாள் பிரசன்ட் போட்டாச்சு. மதுபன்,
Present, sir.
நமல ஷக்கேத்,
Present, sir.
நிதின்,
Present, sir.
நிதிஷ்,
Present, sir.
ஸ்ரீராஜ்,
Present, sir.
சையத் முகமது ஆப்சென்ட், உதயகுமார்,
Present, sir.
then all are absent remaining. Okay,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anybody present?
My name is
What's your name?
in quarantine. Abhinav V. Not as Abhinav S is not. Abhinav V.
Abhinav V, I mark present only.
Yes,
No,
sir.
okay,
Abhinav S absent போடுங்க sir. Sorry, பேரு confusion ஆயிடுச்சு. Abhinav V S.
Abhinav yes absent okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Abhinav V is actually corona positive, sir.
Corona. Okay. So totally Abhinav yes, Anandu, then Azad, then Louis Paul, Syed Muhammad, Veeramanigandan,
9
because
members absent, sir.
9 members absent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.